My chairman. My chairman, well done. Yes, so I came as she instructed after the World Cup, I should come back concerning my show, M.O.P Son of Patience, I'm doing September 27th at the Muson Center. That's why I came back, because the World Cup is done.
M.O.P?
Yes, so M.O.P, the very funny comedian.
You watched the World Cup, right?
The World Cup, very entertaining. From the beginning, from the opening ceremony to the closing ceremony, I watched everything.
And you enjoyed it?
Very well, sir. Very well.
That's good. So are you happy that Spain won this World Cup?
Spain, they worked very hard, sir. They deserve it.
I know that my boy Lamine Yamal will always make me proud.
Oh, Lamine. Yes. The best footballer in the world is Lamine. Lamine Yamal.
Between Messi and Ronaldo, who is your favorite?
Sir, your favorite is my favorite. Anybody you choose is my favorite. Both of them are very hardworking, so we can't take it away from them. Ronaldo, Messi, both of them, they work very hard, sir. Okay. Anyone you choose is fine.
Okay.
So that's why I came, sir, because the World Cup is finished, as you said. You say once World Cup finish, come with your table ticket. That's why I came with them. The regular is 10,000. You can buy for your workers. VIP 25,000. Then the table is 3 million.
But football never finish now. You know they they watch your news that the WAF Cup is about to start on the 25th of July this month. Now they start.
Oh, female football.
Yes, as we talk now, our women they train to make sure say they bring back the trophy. Wait, let me show you. Make I show you the group when our women look at it now. Look at it. Egypt is there. Who is there again?
True, Egypt, Malawi, Zambia.
You think say these people waiting for a day easy to win? Go and pray very well for us, our women to bring back the trophy. Once they bring back the trophy, what will be your ticket? I will not only buy for myself. I will buy for my business partner too. Okay?
Okay,
go. Not excuse your face, so smile. Smile, okay?
If I come after WAFCON. If I come after WAFCON, I will say I come after Premiership. This one feel no work.
M.O.P, Son of Patience. Sunday, September 27th. Muson Center, Lagos.